Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Sora 2 for free without VPN and without invitation code. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that Sora 2 now become a trend and a lot of people search how to use Sora 2 for free. And in this tutorial, I'm going to give you alternative to use Sora 2 for free guys without VPN and without invitation code. So you can visit this website sora2.cloud and then you can sign into this website and you will get 10 credits for free and you can use the credits to generate a video right here. Each video needs 5 credits and I have already used all my credits, so now I have 0 credits. Here you just need to write your prompt and then you can set the options, for example the duration and then the orientation, and just click on generate a video. And these are the videos I have generated, this one and also this one. Okay, and if you want to earn more credits, you need to subscribe to this website, or you can invite friends and earn credits for free. You can copy the invite link and share it to your friends, and your friend can visit this website and you will get credits for free. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to use Sora 2 for free without invitation code and without VPN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.